Welcome to the new section on GEM, and in this my name is Gautam. In this section I'm going to talk about LCMS. Already we have seen adding resources, adding PPT files, and adding in the last two sections I have shown how to add the PPT files, how to add the main authoring tool. In this section I will show you how to add different types of resources that are there in the LCMS learning management systems under Jazan University multi-platform system. So first thing is I will log into the jump.jazanu.edu.sa and change the language and go to LCMS. So here I am in the LCMS system, so I'll go to the my space and my resource, and here you can see all the resource lists that you have saved it on your part. So one thing, I have mp4 file, I have authoring tool and sample documents, everything is there. So what I will do is I will add a new resource. So in this new resource I will add a web content. So this adding web contents is nothing but embedding an HTML page onto the GEM system. So you will embed a HTML page, like if there is a resource that is related to my course data modeling and simulation, I want to add it into the web contents. So what I will do is I will click on the web contents, click on the next, give the name of the web resource, and give the department the way the resource category comes, and give the tags, data modeling and simulation, banks, reference, and you can keep the thumbnail or not. Just click on the next button and upload by file or from my folder. So one thing is, if you are uploading it a single file in GEM system, there is a bug. Please try to upload a single file, since if you are uploading from folder, some of the files are not getting uploaded So just in order to make it easier, just try to upload single files chapter by chapter. It will be easy and it will be done immediately. So click on search. So I will go to the documents, Courseware, it's web content, and real statistics.html. So this is the one, simulation real statistics using Excel. Start file has not been selected, so I have to select the start file for it. So this one is a start. So once I search and upload, so I put the start file, click on next, click on completed. So now I have uploaded the web resource. It should show up in the resource list. So the web contents, it stays completed, and make sure the sharing status is share with all. Now I want to preview it. See, it has everything is there except some of the images are not there because I didn't upload the folder. These images file, all these files I have to upload: JavaScript, JScript file, JPG, PNG files. So I have to put it from my folder in order to show the images. But you can directly do it by yourself. Like you can go to the MySpace, add folder, and put the contents, and then try to link it up all the files inside it. So this is how you need to add the web contents resource. Next thing, go to my resource, add some other new resource, ebook. It only supports EPUB and PDF format. I will show what I have already uploaded. EPUB format book. If you can able to change it without losing formatting, it is good. But many of the books I try to convert as there is some loss in formatting. So make sure that whatever you are uploading, make sure that it has it doesn't lose formatting. Or you can upload it as a PDF and put it as a sub resource under each chapter, like that. So the ebook, yeah. Just loading up the file. I don't know, somehow it got logged off. I don't know, but no issues. I'll go to login again. So now that the ebook has been loaded, here you can get a lot of information. What are the chapters? If you want to go to each chapter like that, you can go to chapter wise, and then you can select the picture, you can select the text, and you can make a highlight or add memory, add memo, search web dictionary, share it with the email or Facebook, and put a bookmark also for this page. You can able to bookmark it, and you have a lot of functionality in this ebook format. So this is a basic functionality of this ebook. And next we will go to the other, adding another resource. Go to my space, go to my add new resource, new. Now discussion topic. So this is like a forum where you want to discuss with your students or with your anybody that you are sharing this discussion thing. So something. So this is basically like a forum where you exchange messages with your students or anything like that on a specific topic based on the course thing. So if somebody has a question, they can ask it in the discussion forum. So this is basically to exchange messages and to have an interaction with the students. So you can just enter the description. No, I can't enter the description. Maybe the required fields I entered, so I have to enter any. Click on next. Click on completed. And make the sharing status available to all. And once you are doing these things, uploading, make sure the sharing status is available and status is completed. And you can, once you have done this, just do one thing. For every course that you uploaded, just click on preview it once, because you want to make sure that it is working before you.
Although today we live in a fast-paced society, there is still one thing that we all must do.
Just want to make sure that whatever you uploaded, make sure the sharing status is available to all, so that just make it share with all, and web content share with all, and this one, and also make the status as completed. Just make sure that you see status as completed. So this part is done. Now we'll add a new resource. Now we coming back to quiz. A quiz is of two types. We'll see what are the two types: single type, single question quiz, or multiple question quizzes. I mean multiple, single, each single question, single test quiz, or multiple test quizzes. So we'll see the differences. So in a single test quiz, we'll have only one single question, whereas in multiple test quiz, we have multiple questions based on this. So I'll just put. And put the department tags, you can just put it and click on next. So we have single quiz or group quiz. So in a single quiz, we have these things: single choice or multiple choice, or true or false, or short answers, or written answer, how you want the thing. So I want it as a group quiz. I want group quiz text is and it's of multiple choice. And what's the question? So I have some questions. And number of options, 4. I have 4 options. And what is the correct option from this one is a first one is a correct option. And correct answers for the score, enter the score. Partial score, if there is any partial score, 0. Score for and level is high or low or medium. So option 1, what are the options that you have here? System environment, entity and model. Entity and then specify model. And professor feedback, if you want any kind of feedback, you can just put it and just add it. Yes. So this question has been added. Now we want to put, so this question, how you need to add the questions is, once you added the question like this, you just need to edit this part again. I mean DMS group quiz, and this is the same thing. So in the quiz text, the question which changes. So whatever is the next question is there. Very nice. Four, and the correct answer is the third one, simulation environment. So and no one, and correct answer score 1, and partial score choices 0, and score for enjoys. So the options are simulation programming language. So just write the options. Simulation and write the option 2, general purpose programming language. Simulation environment, none of the above. So click on add, just add the correct question. Yeah, so this is question 1, question 2, and if you put any question, you can just view the result like this. So you don't, so you can, it is showing the result, what is the system and system environment, and click on next, click on completed, save it. So once the quiz has been updated in the resource, we'll see how it looks in the my preview section. So once it is completed, click on preview, click on result. Because we didn't select anything, it shows that these 2 answers are wrong. So these are quizzes, and this is group quiz, and make sure sharing status is available to all, and structure information, everything is there. And now we'll add another resource called test. So the basic difference between the quiz and test is, from different types of quizzes, whatever the quizzes are there, let me show it, it's showing in my all resources. Just one second, because I just want that quiz to be shown here. Yeah, quiz test, yeah, this is there. And what, I will add a new resource, click on test. So now we'll create a test So this is time limit is available, all the different options are available. So this is like if you want to keep a classroom test or anything like that, online based test, you can be able to create it from here. So click on next. Just give the name of the test, data modeling and simulation test demo 1, and which department, and thumbnail. Click on next, and test name, and test description. If you want to show or hide description, and time limitation, I want to put it for 5 minutes. Maximum number of attempts 1, and add quiz. So we have different types of quizzes, so you have to check which quiz that it's falling under. So let me check once. Because I have to check my quizzes, go to my resource, and I have to filter it out because it shows all the quizzes are available, but I have to filter it out. Quiz test demo 1. So collection of entities. So it is showing up DMS group quiz DMS. So I'll just add the questions. So 2 questions has been added. Click on next. Click on completed. Now you added the resource of the test. So once it is completed, just click on preview, and this is a time limit it started, and maximum 1 time is a submission. So I'll just put on submit. So both are now, so it will show up like this. This is how you can able to add the quiz and all these things once you are there in those things, once you are adding the resources. So next thing is make sure the sharing status is to all, and the quiz is also shared with all. And now we will go to new resource. Learning tool. If you want to embed a external learning tools such as any learning tools, Scrum, or any learning tools that you want to embed it, we can embed it here. But I think I tried, it's not working in this one. And web link, if you want to embed any maps or anything inside social sources and all these things. So I'll go to the others. Others you already know, you can add the PPTs and all these things. So one thing I want to show it here is the authoring tool, because many people having confusion like what type of document they need to upload and all these things. So what I will do is I will in this section I will upload a video, and then I will upload a layer 1 and all these things. So go import. So import it from my resources, the video, whatever is there. And many people are having questions like what is the upload limit, is there any kind of limits on the videos that you are uploading. I uploaded around 20 MB and also 100 MB PDF file, and make sure that whatever you are uploading it correctly, and also the format is if you are uploading the video, format is of MP4. And so here you can see this is a customer queuing systems video. I'll show what's the size of this thing once. So in the videos, so I'll just show properties. It's 17 MB and it's uploaded perfectly. So I will just import it. Let's just click on it and add resource, click on submit. So just wait. Yeah, I put it in the video section, and I can able to resize, I can able to adjust the, just before adjusting it, let me save it once. Video. want to view it, so go to File, Preview.
Although today we live in a fast-paced society, there is still one thing that we all must do.
So what
Whether it
happens
be
is, in this timeline, the video will be playing around here, and the table of contents will be showing up here, and the PPTs will be showing you. So you have to add the table of contents here. I mean, what are the slides that you are attaching it? It's queuing systems. This first one is queuing system, and the next one is inventory systems. And the next one is you can add. Now I want to add this table of contents will come in the index way. In the video it shows up the queuing system. You can adjust the timeline based on the contents, and also I will upload a document of PPT format. So what I can do is go to the resource list and click on more. Yeah, these are simulation examples, and this one you have to select, and this is chapter 2. Is it PDF or PPT? Just show, I will just see it's PPT, and click on add resource, click on submit. So what I can do is I will just drag it to the layer 1. So now I will see how it looks. First save it, since autosave is not enabled, and then just preview it once.
Although today we live in a fast-paced society, there is still one thing that we all
So it will be moving by according to the cells wise, how much cells are there. So the video is loading is done, and here the table of contents will be showing up, and the PPTs are showing up here. So this is how you upload the courseware. So I'll just publish it. Go to publish it, and it should show up in your resources. Go to my space and my resource, and the authoring tool. Video along with PPTs and along with the slides has been uploaded with the table of contents. So this is an example of LCMS systems, how you can able to show up different types of categories, different types of resources and all these things. And one thing I just want to tell you is when you're using the media lectures, you need to have the courseware. So each courseware should have the main authoring tool. In the authoring tool, you can add videos, you can add PPT files, and you can add a table of contents, all the things. And you need to add by chapter wise, and you need to make the sharing status available to all, and also the status should be completed. So this is an examples of how we can able to add different types of resources in the LCMS system. And in the next section we will see, I will show you how to link this whatever we have uploaded, different resources, assignments, quizzes and all those things in the LMS system. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day.